y'all, today I'm gonna show y'all how to make a green slime wig. I know I've seen some other people do it on here, but you know, I thought, why not? I actually wanted to do this color for a very long time, and I finally got the hair to do it. So I'm just gonna start off by showing y'all how to measure the cap and make sure that it fits your head perfectly. If y'all want me to do like a more you know, if y'all want me to do a more detailed tutorial, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely do that for y'all. It is a lot of different ways to make wigs. If y'all want me to do like a wig series on all different ways you can make it, let me know. I can do that as well. But basically, actually gonna take my wig off. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and measure my hair. I don't have a tape measure with me right I don't have a tape measure with me right now, so I'm gonna just be using a piece of string. So I'm gonna measure from here all the way to the nape of my neck. So from the front to the nape, and I'm going to cut that. And I'm going to see where there is, and then I'm also going to measure across the top from ear to ear. And I'm gonna cut that. But what I also want to do is measure all the way around and make sure that that's, well, really you want to do that before you order your wig cap. However you measure the circumference of your head and whatever inch you come up with, that's the sizes you get. Since mine is 22 inches, I got a 22 inch head, so I really don't have to worry about that. But what I do want you all to do is measure across the back of your ear to the other side. And I'm not gonna cut this part, but what I'm gonna be doing is making sure that that's even, so that I can know, so that I can put the cap on here properly, if that makes sense. So let me just show y'all. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is put the cap on. I am using a dome, a stretchy dome cap. I don't think I've done a tutorial on how to make a wig with a dome cap, because a lot of people have like sizing issues, so that's why I'm showing y'all how to do this. So what I'm going to be doing, and I'm just gonna actually pin in the strings. It's pretty even all the way around. What I'm gonna be doing is making sure that the front of the wig cap and the back of it matches up. So since it doesn't, what I'm gonna do is bring it back until it does. So starting there, sorry guys, starting there, and then making sure that the wig cap fits in the back, and just adjusting it. Either you'll make it shorter or longer, but yeah, this is how it is, and I want to keep it that way. So I know that I will be shortening it this much. Take a few pins and kind of like pin them together so that you can know where it ends, and try it on before you actually cut it and everything, or sew it and everything. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and try it on to make sure that it fits my head, and it fits perfectly. Literally, it fits perfectly. If y'all can see that, it fits perfectly. So what I'm going to do is, since your wig does and can shrink due to sewing it, I'm going to go ahead, take out the pins, and give it a little bit of give, just a little bit. So I'm just going to move this out, and you can actually do this when you're measuring. You can add on a little bit to your measurements just so you don't have to do this part, and it can make it a lot easier for you. But make sure once you sew it and everything, once you sew it together and you cut off the excess cap, that when you put it on here, you stretch it out really good, because it will, it can and will shrink a little bit. So just keep that in mind, and we can go ahead and get started with this wig. Okay, so Wiggins Hair Company sent me a 20-inch closure, a 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles of their 613 Platinum Blonde hair. Okay, so I got 2 electric lime and 1 lemon color. The electric lime Adore came from my local beauty supply store, and the lemon color came from Sally's. They did not have yellow, but if you find yellow in Adore, you can go ahead and use that. I did have to make 2 batches of this, so I would suggest getting 4 electric limes and 2 lemons, or using more water. It just depends on how bright or how deep you want your color, but just keep that in mind. So what I'm doing right here is putting the closure in the center of the wig cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and pin both sides and then pin the middle back. And then I'm going to start from the middle back and sew along the right edge, and then sew along the left edge. Just going ahead and flat ironing and cutting, clipping the ends and styling this wig. I hope y'all enjoy. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.